guys, and welcome back to this channel. It's been a while. I'm so excited to make a comeback after a few months and to show you what my recent purchase is. This is my 30th birthday gift to myself as well as a push present. Okay, I'll show you a quick bump update. This is me at 36 plus 6 days. Tomorrow I'll be 37, which means the baby's already full term and I could give birth anytime from the next few weeks. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my recent purchase, a Chanel bag. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I came about getting the bag, why I got this one instead of any other Chanel bags. Also, I wouldn't be talking too much about the bag because those ones you could look up online, but I will just share with you my experience, what I think the pros and the cons are. I'm gonna share with you how I'm planning to style it. Obviously, I'm still pregnant, but you can sort of see what color palettes will suit this bag. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so aside from the box and the bag, I do get the store receipt as well as the contact number for my SA. And also in here is just like a little bit of how to take care of your bag in English as well as in a different language. And then just a little bit of letter. So cute. Here is the bag. To a dust bag. Tan, tan, tan. I have got the Chanel 19 in caramel color. So, a little bit of story about this bag. This Chanel 19 was released in 2019, and then this was the last bag that Karl Lagerfeld designed with Chanel before he passed. And so at the start, they put this one as a seasonal bag, but eventually they put it in their classic line, meaning every year they always have this style and they will always release this in different colors. So this color caramel in particular was the hype in 2019. So it used to be really hard to get, and usually when you go into the pre-loved market, they always sell it higher than its actual price. So I went in store because I wanted a Chanel mini flap, and so I was asking this SA if they've got any stock, blah 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 blah, and then she told me that they don't make the mini flaps anymore, and they haven't seen it in 18 months, and so the wait list for it has just been accumulating, like there are more people wanting to buy it. So because I was already in store, she was showing me these other bags until she went to the back and then got me this bag. I just love the color. I just instantly fell in love with the silhouette. I already know that I like this bag because it has this 3-tone hardware. So we've got silver, gold, and then I think this is titanium and then silver again. Also has the classic Chanel detail with the leather interlocked with the chain. And then this bag also features a back pocket, just like their classic flaps. It has a magnetic closure. In the front, it has a turn CC lock. Then when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. The microchip is in there, as well as the number. And then it also has a zip pocket in here. Because this bag is sort of in the higher price point of view, I had to think about it and see what the pros and the cons are that I will be experiencing with this bag. Pro number one is it has its stylish and edgy look to it. Like from the color and how well the bag is made, it's just really lovely. And as I've said, there's like these three-tone chain that basically you're getting all their kinds of golds in different finishes. The color is so lovely. It's very rich. It's this rich dark color, but it's still light, and it's just nice to see. And I think it really complements my skin tone very well, and that I truly believe that this will complement a lot of skin tones.
As I have mentioned, this bag was designed by Karl Lagerfeld before he passed. He has got a very big name in the designer industry.
He designed this keeping in mind the modern take of the 2.55 reissue. So it's very soft, very pillowy, and very luxurious feel to it. It's very unique and very Chanel piece. And then also for your comfort, they also have this leather padding here which sits onto your shoulder for your maximum comfort. And so I definitely think this is a very well thought bag and very well designed for an everyday wear, as well as a sort of like elevated look. The second pro tip that I could see is that this is just so much easier to dress up and then dress down. I have the medium classic flap and I find it really formal, and most of the bags that they have are structured. This is like one of the few bags that you could dress up and then you could also dress down, depending on how you need it to be. And also, I think this is very much wearable, which I will be sharing with you a little bit later with my outfit inspo with this bag. I could definitely see myself reaching out for this bag and just putting my things in here and then just leaving it there, because I would always want to use this bag. While I was there, I saw a mini 2.55 reissue, which it was in a pink color. I'll be sharing with you the video now. So this is just like the silhouette is just like the classic flap, except they have the different turn lock opening. And I think 2.55 is very much a classic. This was their first iconic bag. I'm still building up my collection, so I tend to gravitate towards the more neutral colors, more, investment pieces, as you call it. So I definitely think that with the change of my lifestyle, this bag will be perfectly suitable for my updated lifestyle. If you do know me, you know that I would always gravitate towards the mini bags because I just want my wallet, my phone, and my keys to fit in there, and then I'll be good to go. But my problem is that whenever I say go to the shops and then buy something and then I need my hands free, I usually find myself not having enough space for my bag. Also with my husband, men would also sometimes give you like stuff to put in your bag, and then usually I wouldn't have a space for it. But with this bag, because of its size, its capacity, I definitely think that I would be able to accommodate these requests, and I would accommodate the extra stuff that I'm buying when I go out and I'll need my hands free. So I think it will be really good for when we have a baby, and I will mostly definitely need my hands-free moments in most of the cases. With that said, I got this bag. One more thing is that I have already mentioned this to you earlier, is that Chanel bags always increase in prices. They do it 2 times or 3 times in a year, and so I definitely think this is a good investment because this is still on the lower price bracket in terms of their regular bags, excluding the SLGs. Because a mini, a wallet on chain, and all those kind of stuff are all SLGs, whereas this is a proper bag. This is a small Chanel 19. The small classic flaps retails for over this bag, and so I definitely think this is the perfect time to get these bags because it will only go up in prices and you will never get it cheaper than how you could get it now. This also applies to the boy bag. If you know that style of bag, I will put a photo in here for you, but that is also a good investment piece because it's still like sort of in the lower price bracket in terms of their regular bags. Highly suggest that you jump into these if you can. So 3 ways to carry the bag. You could put it crossbody, you could put it on the shoulder, or you could hold it through the handle here, which I think like this, into your hand, into your forearm, or into your hand, which I think it's very versatile. Let's move on to the cons. So the obvious con is that its price. It's very much on the higher price point compared to, I would say, most of the designer bags. As I have said, they go up in prices, so chances are getting these bags now is the cheapest way of getting them because they will only go up in price in the future. The second con that I am anticipating in this bag is that the leather. It is in the lambskin leather, which a lot of people know it can sort of be delicate and could get scratched easily compared to a caviar leather. It feels very luxurious, and I do not regret getting the lambskin because I know that because of its price that I will be taking care of the bag, or that I will try my best to protect the bag. The good news is that this is treated lambskin, so it isn't as
delicate as you might anticipate.
But obviously you still have to take care of it. So it's very soft, very squishy, and very much comfortable to wear. Now let's move on to my outfit inspiration on how I'm planning to style this bag, or what color palettes and silhouettes suits well with this bag. I am hoping to share with you how versatile this bag is, and hopefully it will help you decide whether or not this bag is right for you. Okay, so the first outfit that I have is this jogger set. So this is just a sand beige outfit, and I think it's very neutral and it really will go well with the bag. And personally speaking, I would just go to the shops like this. If it is cold, if it's winter, then I would chuck in another jacket on top, which is maybe a jacket, a denim jacket, a shacket, or whatever it is that you have in your closet. I am anticipating the lifestyle change that I will be having once we have this baby, so I think this is a great way that this could be a loungewear, but then if you have to go out, you could also go out and still look like you're put together, or that you'll still look chic, in my opinion. The next outfit is a very summery blue dress. This one I have got in my first trimester that has served me well until the last trimester, because there were so many months that the weather was really hot, and I would just chuck this dress. It's very airy and bump friendly, and it's just very comfortable that I always just gravitate on wearing. So this outfit is for the warmer days or the ones in the tropical countries. This third outfit that I'm sharing with you is a body hugging dress. The color of this dress is rust, like a monotonous, chic, well put together look for the bag. And of course, if you're feeling a bit chilly, you could also chuck in a cardigan. I'm just wearing here a knitted cardigan. Knitted beige cardigan, which I really think goes well with the caramel color. Next outfit is a sporty look. These are for the sporty moms out there. It's just like a onesie, and then if you need a bit of a cover up, you could wear a denim jacket, or if you want to elevate the outfit a little bit, you could also put your husband's polo, which what I'm wearing here. This final outfit I am sharing with you is a little bit of a formal look. So if you've got like a fancy dinner that you should go out to, I think this is something that I would wear. I have already worn this dress during my baby shower, when Michael and I went to dinner, and also in my maternity photo shoot dress. You can wear this dress by itself if you're feeling confident, or if it's chilly, you could also chuck in a tweed blazer, and because tweed and Chanel just goes well together, so I think they just look really cool. And so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, if you made it to the end of the video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!